Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw funds from Salesforce Commerce payouts in the USA step by step clearly. To withdraw funds from Salesforce Commerce payouts in the USA, start by logging into your Salesforce Commerce account. Navigate to the dashboard once you've successfully logged in. Look for the Payouts section in the main menu. Click on Payouts to open the Payout Management page. Here, you will see a summary of your recent payouts. Select the specific payout you wish to withdraw. Review the details of the selected payout to ensure everything is correct. Look for the Withdraw Funds button associated with the selected payout. Click on the Withdraw Funds button to initiate the process. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to confirm your withdrawal. Read through the terms and conditions carefully before proceeding. Once you're ready, confirm your withdrawal request by clicking the appropriate button. After confirming, you'll receive a notification about the status of your withdrawal. Check your email for a confirmation message regarding the withdrawal. Keep an eye on the payout status on your Salesforce dashboard. Funds will typically be transferred to your designated bank account within a few business days. You may want to check your bank account to confirm the funds have been successfully deposited. Make sure to keep all relevant transaction details for your records. If you encounter any issues, visit the Salesforce Support Center for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.